Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I am a tad before time today. I got a meeting, so we'll be leaving at 3 o'clock. 2:32 in the afternoon, and the markets are down 122 points on the Nifty as we do this video. So let's quickly do a quasi wrap of the markets today and what I expect going forward. Now, extending from where we left yesterday, we said that we continue to stay bearish, and bearish stance it remains. It's going to tease that 10,000 mark on the Nifty future. It's very likely. We have a low of 10,092 on the index, and for the cash, which is the Nifty spot, we have 10,10,2. We have 10,100. So I anticipate that the index will try to get rid of a digit from itself and tease that 10K mark. And if it does so, and if it manages to do that, there might be a little bit of more worry coming in the market, and people would probably like to get out of stocks, probably go underweight, and that might lead to a formation of a bottom in place. But as of now, on the charts, on the daily charts of the cash or the Nifty futures, which I have open right in front of you, I don't see any signs of bottoming out right now. What I see is a 4-bar fall continuously. I see a lower low happening on the daily chart. The weekly chart is too early to take a look into it. We are just on Tuesday, but I sense that yes, we can have short-term bounce back, but overall it can inch further down towards the 10K mark. So stance stays bearish. Let's quickly take a look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty had opened down, bounced back, now inching close to its day's low on the daily chart. If you recall, yesterday we spoke that the Bank Nifty was relatively better off thanks to ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank. It's relatively better off today as well. In fact, if you notice, it's significantly above its October lows. This is Bank Nifty daily chart October lows, and this is where we are trading right now. And let's compare this with the Nifty. We see that the Nifty has actually broken below its October lows. So this relative strength from the Bank Nifty stays. So why is Nifty behaving like this? Let's quickly check the index pullers and draggers, which are the stocks which are contributing on the downside today. This is the main stock. Let's look at Reliance Industries. So Reliance have come off 4 days on a trot, and it's actually also inching towards its mid-October lows, early October lows. ICICI Bank, yesterday's gainers have come off a bit to 2.2% down. Asian Paints, big sell-off over the last 4 days, completely oversold weekly charts, and we expect that the stock is probably inching towards that 1090 mark from where it had beautiful support during the month of March. Sun Pharma, large cap pharmaceutical stocks, breaks down. In fact, today I was talking about this stock in Bloomberg, and I mentioned about the support and the supply point up here close to the 615, but it seems like the support has gone away. 579, a close below 580 can inch further down for the stock. Infosys, IT had been the space where there was some immediate weakness at the opening. We had a short trade on TCS in our Alphabet's intra position. I took this trade based on the powerful inside bar strategy which we trade. Yesterday I spotted an inside bar. The range was contracting for more than 2 days. It was an extreme where I noticed that my ATR average true range was inching close to the lower Bollinger Band, which signifies that this kind of contraction is rare. So I went with the trade. We went short below yesterday's low of 1885. Let's quickly look at the shorter 5-minute chart, and this was the move that we got, and we booked out somewhere here, and that's it. That's a quick trade. Per lot we made around 6,500 rupee in 14 minutes flat. That's not a bad trade. And CESC, I did talk about this stock in my yesterday's daily market wrap. Stock is down close to 3%. At the day's low it was down over 4%. I didn't milk it out completely, but I managed to book profits. I am out of the stock. This trade was given to our Alphabet's Pro clients. Now the difference between Alphabet's Pro and Alphabet's Intra is one is the intraday and the Pro is positional. Details of which, if you want to know, links given below in the description box. And if you want to follow my trades, do join my free Telegram group. All the trades will be shared with you, the rationales will be shared with you based on what technical rationale do we take these trades, everything transparently shared with you in that Telegram group. So as of now, I'm going to wrap up this market today. Nifty is down, bearishness stays, indicators go oversold, no signs of divergences or any sign of pullback yet. Even if the bounce back comes, I sense it's going to be short-lived, but this is not the time to go short on the Nifty. This is the time to patiently wait for an opportunity which it will shape up to go long in the Nifty. That opportunity will come above 10K or below 10K is to be waited and watched, but I sense it's going to come close to 10K with the expiry day after tomorrow, and that's where the little bit of itsy bitsy panic might come, and that's the opportunity where we would like to go long. Till then, let's see how it pans out. Please share your feedbacks, suggestions. This will help me to improve my take on the market that I share with you. Till then, trade well, trade wise.